Hi, Kaylan. How are you? Um, I mean, firstly, just what do you've been probably like the most cared for and talked about Jamaican teenager in the last 2 years since November 29, 2020, when the story broke. So many prayers for you, so many outpouring of love and support for your mother. Are you aware of any of that? Firstly, you aware of it? What do you think of it? Just grateful. Um, what do you say to Jamaicans now who just by seeing you here in such good spirits? I was watching you interact with the nurse just now and a little banter and everything. You clearly haven't lost any of your spirit your mother told us that you had. Not really, you haven't lost any of your spirit. None at all. What do you say to Jamaicans who have been supporting you and your mother throughout this journey? Thank you for everything
Especially prayers.
and the prayers. Okay. Um, what was it like in the hospital? What were the doctors and nurses like? Doctors was amazing. Nurses for the most part was good. How do you feel now to be home in your bed again? Huh? You're glad. What are you looking forward to most right now? Just getting back to your life. Um, what was it like being in the hospital for so long for you?
There are good days and bad days.
Good days and bad days? Tell me about the bad days. What were those like? One on the translate why should I talk?
Just said, why? What was this like? What were their lives? Stressing,
Stressing,
depressing.
depressing. So that's the oxygen support?
Yes.
What will happen if it come off
No
for
man,
too long?
she can breathe, but not for long periods.
Okay.
She needs support.
Okay. Okay. I saw a video with you singing that your mom had shared. A Shensia song. Do you look back to a day when you can sing again? Is that something you're looking forward to? It's a must. And you still have, I remember your mom telling me that you were looking to start a business. I don't remember exactly the business. Did you still have dreams of starting a business? What kind of business? You're not sure?
She's not sure if it's still the same.
Not sure if it's the
She's
same.
going to do the same thing,
But you're sure you'll be doing something. Okay. And what's it like now being home? I hear that you and your sister eat down the place like a chichi. That's what your mom told the media. And that's what your mom said. Is that true? You don't believe that? What's it like being home and playing with your sister again? Good. Okay. Is there anything else you'd like to say finally? I won't try to talk to you too long. I have to make it stay. Is there anything else you'd like to say to Jamaica and to anybody watching this right now? Thank you for everything. Alright, keep. Thanks so much. Alright, take care. You can give me a fist bump? High five. There you go.